Why are we still so awkward about the C word? अरे condoms की बात कर रही हूँ यार.
Have you ever bought a condom?
No. नहीं, अभी तक नहीं.
Never.
This is the easiest, least awkward way to buy a condom.
Far away from their home.
Go and buy it online.
I think I will prefer a supermarket. I'll buy it like a ration. कि सब ले रहे हैं तो वो भी ले लेते हैं.
The supermarket, it's better actually. You know, you can just pick it up and put it on your cart. At a pharmacy, you have to ask them. So like, it's not awkward for me, but then they start giving you weird looks. You know, like, oh, she's asking for a condom like that.
In order to make people buy condoms comfortably without any hesitation of being judged, the creative solution is to create not just a casual but more friendly approach by getting rid of the vulgarity. Going through a design thinking approach, the main task of this project is to make the use of condom a more attractive proposition and normalize the conversation about sex and condom. The packaging is been redesigned in a way which looks more playful, easy, attractive, friendly and casual. Similarly, instead of making the packet dark and sensual, the color scheme is set to be bright, vibrant, fresh and young look. The female figure in a pop art style make it look like a female friendly product, bringing her close to the brand which has always been the male zone. Targeting the youth, the font and pop art style are selected to bring out the bold, witty and naughty mood of a female around her fantasies. Promoting the campaign through interactive social media posts like asking the user to pick a number and swipe to know what's the flavor or position for tonight. This will help to remove the awkwardness of initiating sex-related talks. Tagging or sharing this personally with the partner will help to express without having said it directly. Instagram filter is a fun activity to keep the audience engaged with the campaign. The filter runs and stops at your supposedly sex score, making it an exciting experience for everyone who is trying it. Executing the campaign through different ambient media will make the campaign more engaging and involving. Let's say if you happen to be in mall at the lingerie section, the communication through posters will catch female attention and facilitating by placing a product display stand there itself, making it more convenient to easily pick the condom of their choice. Similarly, the campaign will be executed across various platforms like medical superstore, supermarkets, female public washrooms at clubs and malls. As a part of this campaign, condom vending machine will be placed in female washroom just like sanitary napkin dispenser to make buying condom a easier process for females. We should all carry condoms irrespective of any gender, especially when you know that tonight is the night. Just carry a condom.
Advice to a young girl who was shy of buying condoms, what would you tell her?
I don't think so you need to be shy about it at all.
Damn the world, yeah. Just do what you want to do.